Did you know that most people didn't need glasses historically? Clear vision was the norm for centuries, but vision impairment affects billions today. Only a tiny percentage of the population required glasses just a century ago. But now, vision problems have become a global issue, with increasing numbers of adults and children relying on glasses and contacts daily. Back in the 1970s, only 25% of Americans were nearsighted. Fast forward to today, and that number has nearly doubled. Over 42% of Americans now need glasses for nearsightedness, with rates even higher among younger generations. So what has changed? And why are so many of us now struggling with our eyesight? Experts believe that increased screen time, less outdoor activity, and a lack of natural sunlight exposure are considerable contributors to this rise. An issue that affects more than 2.2 billion people worldwide. According to health expert Barbara Oneill, the glasses and contacts we depend on might worsen things, creating a cycle that weakens our vision over time. But what if there was a way to support your eyesight naturally? What if you didn't have to rely on glasses or contacts as your only option? Today, I'll share some unconventional techniques, backed by history and modern science, that may help support your eye health, reduce strain, and even improve your vision. As Barbara Oneill suggests, natural approaches work with the body to strengthen our vision instead of becoming dependent on corrective lenses. So, stick with me as we explore the science behind sunlight exposure, simple eye exercises, and nutrition for optimal eye health. Let's uncover some surprising ways to keep your eyes sharp. Number 1. Let's start with something you might not expect: sunlight. We're often told to protect our eyes from the sun's rays, and of course we should never look directly at the sun. But here's the fascinating part. As health expert Barbara Oneill explains, moderate sunlight exposure can benefit your eyes in powerful ways. Our eyes are extensions of our brain, and just like our brain needs sunlight for optimal function, so do our eyes. When UV rays safely enter the eyes, they trigger neurochemical pathways that can improve brain and eye health. Think of it like a chain reaction. Sunlight activates parts of the brain responsible for alertness, mood, and focus, and in turn, this stimulation can boost our eye health. Studies from the American Academy of Ophthalmology have shown that regular time outdoors, at least 2 hours a day, may significantly reduce the risk of developing nearsightedness, especially in children. This simple habit is believed to slow down the progression of nearsightedness over time. Experts think that natural light exposure helps regulate eye growth, which could be why children who spend more time outdoors are less likely to develop vision problems. Barbara Oneill explains that using it safely and effectively is one of the keys to sunlight's benefits. Here's a simple method she recommends. To get safe sunlight exposure, try this technique next time you're outside. 1. Close your eyes. 2. Tilt your head up slightly. 3. Let the sun's rays gently hit your closed eyelids for about 10-20 seconds. This allows sunlight to stimulate your eyes without direct exposure, which can be refreshing and energizing. It's like a natural boost for your eyes. As a bonus, it can even lift your mood. I've found that even a few minutes of sunlight each day refreshes not just my mind but also my eyes. And many people who try this report feeling less eye strain, especially if they spend most of their day indoors or on screens. If you're ready to try this technique, give it a shot the next time you're outside. It's a simple, powerful way to support your eye health naturally, one sunny moment at a time. Number 2. Vision strengthening exercises. The rebounding technique. Now let's talk about an eye exercise recommended by Barbara Oneill that may seem unconventional but has incredible benefits for eye strength and flexibility. The rebounding technique. This technique involves a simple movement that most of us wouldn't think to connect with our eyesight: bouncing. Here's why it works. When you bounce or move rhythmically, your body's blood circulation improves. This means more oxygen and essential nutrients are delivered to every part of your body, including your eyes. This increased circulation is like a natural refresh for your eye muscles, providing the nutrients they need to stay strong and healthy. Just like any other muscle in your body, your eye muscles benefit from regular exercise. The goal here is to give them a bit of a workout, just like lifting weights for your arms, but without needing any heavy equipment. Barbara Oneill's rebounding exercise encourages movement and focus, helping your eyes develop strength and flexibility. Here's how it works. While you're bouncing, pick 2 objects to focus on, one that's close and one that's farther away. Every 10 seconds, shift your focus from the closer object to the one that's farther away. For example, you might look at a window frame up close, then shift your focus to something outside in the distance, like a tree or plant. This repeated focus shifting serves as a workout for your eye muscles. It helps train your eyes to quickly adjust between distances, which becomes more challenging as we age or spend too much time looking at screens. Barbara Oneill explains that this exercise helps keep the eye muscles strong and flexible, reducing strain and improving overall focus. People who've tried this say that it felt like a workout for their eyes. After just a few sessions, they noticed less strain, especially after long days of screen time. They even reported sharper vision and reduced eye fatigue. If you don't have a rebounder, no problem. You can still do this exercise by shifting focus between near and far objects while standing or sitting. The key is consistency. A few minutes daily can make a difference. Number 3. Nutrition for optimal eye health. Let's talk about a major factor in eye health that many overlook: nutrition. According to Barbara Oneill, a diet rich in specific nutrients can make a significant difference in maintaining sharp vision and preventing eye strain. The right balance of plant-based proteins, fiber, and healthy fats gives your eyes the building blocks they need to stay strong and resilient. First, let's talk about protein. The membranes around your eye cells comprise about 50% protein, meaning protein plays a crucial role in maintaining cell structure and function. Foods like legumes, nuts, and seeds are excellent plant-based protein sources, and incorporating them into your diet can help reduce inflammation and support cell repair, which is essential for eye health. Studies show that a diet high in protein supports cell regeneration, reduces inflammation, and protects against age-related eye diseases. So, adding protein-rich foods like chickpeas, almonds, and lentils to your meals provides your eyes with the nutrients they need for strength and clarity. Barbara Oneill also emphasizes the importance of fiber. Fiber-rich foods, like fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains, do more than support digestion. They're essential for reducing inflammation throughout the body, including in the eyes. High-fiber diets have been linked to a lower risk of developing cataracts and macular degeneration, two common age-related eye conditions. According to research from the National Eye Institute, diets high in fiber and antioxidants help protect the eyes from oxidative stress, reducing the risk of damage to the retina and other sensitive parts of the eye. By adding fiber-rich foods to your meals, you're giving your eyes powerful protection against the effects of aging. Now let's talk about healthy fats. Barbara Oneill recommends foods high in omega-3 fatty acids such as avocados, chia seeds, and nuts, as they are crucial in eye hydration and lubrication. Omega-3s help maintain the health of the tear film, which keeps your eyes moist and reduces dryness and irritation, especially if you spend long hours looking at screens. Research shows omega-3s can improve eye moisture levels, reduce dry eye symptoms, and enhance visual performance. I've noticed a difference in my eyes since adding more omega-3 rich foods to my diet. They feel less dry and strained, even after a full day at the computer. So if you're looking to support your eye health naturally, include various foods in your daily diet. Small changes like adding more fiber, protein, and omega-3s can add up to big benefits over time. Your eyes will thank you. Number 4 is natural remedies, castor oil, and herbal eye wash. Now, let's look at two natural remedies that Barbara Oneill recommends for supporting eye health: castor oil and an herbal eye wash. These remedies are easy to use, affordable, and effective when used consistently. First up is castor oil. You might have heard castor oil for skincare or hair care, but it also has surprising eye benefits. Castor oil penetrates deeply, moisturizing the eyes and potentially even helping to break down protein buildup associated with cataracts. Barbara Oneill suggests applying a single drop of castor oil on the eyelid before bed. Just massage it in gently and let the oil absorb overnight. This method is beneficial if you experience dry eyes, as castor oil is known for its moisturizing properties. Studies have shown that castor oil can improve the stability of the tear film, reducing symptoms of dry eye and providing lasting moisture. This makes it an excellent natural solution for eye dryness and irritation, especially if you spend much time looking at screens or in dry environments. One of my friends tried this, and after just a few weeks they noticed less dryness and eye strain, especially at the end of the day. It's a gentle, affordable way to care for your eyes. Now, Barbara Oneill also recommends an herbal eye wash made from golden seal and eyebright for inflammation or irritation. These two herbs have been used in traditional medicine for centuries to soothe sore or bloodshot eyes. They're known for their anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, making them perfect for natural relief. To make the eye wash, Mix half a teaspoon of golden seal and half a teaspoon of Eyesight with 1 cup of boiling water. Let it cool, strain it thoroughly, and then use the liquid to wash your eyes gently. This herbal solution can be used several times daily for soothing relief, particularly if you're dealing with dryness, irritation or inflammation from allergies or extended screen time. Golden seal and Eyesight are also known for their antioxidant properties, which can help protect the eyes from oxidative stress. This makes them an excellent addition to your natural eye care routine. Remember, while these remedies are natural, they don't replace medical treatments and should be used as a complement to your regular eye care. And as Barbara Oneill suggests, it's always wise to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new remedy, especially if you have sensitive eyes or a pre-existing condition. If you're ready to try these natural remedies, consistency is key. A few small steps can make a difference over time, and your eyes will thank you.